Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can adjust page borders and also margins on a Microsoft Word document. See here, I took an example Word document. So for better viewing angle, I'll show it to you in side by side angle. So this is my Word document which has more than one page. It exactly has 6 to 7 pages. Okay. Now I'll apply the border and adjust the margins also in this tutorial. So I'll go back to vertical now. First of all, to apply borders for this, you all know the option is you need to click on design. Then at the last option, there is the option called borders, page borders. You need to click on page borders and you can apply box. Okay, if you don't want this box, you can have other options, something like shadow or something like. See here, there is a shadow. And if you want to adjust the width, means the border size, you can also do that. Yeah, width you can maybe that's absolutely your choice. You can apply to the whole document or this section or this page only. That is also you absolutely your choice. I want whole document, so I'm applying to whole document. So this is just for applying borders. And how to adjust margins. For margins, you can go to layout and click on apply predefined margins. But if you're not satisfied with this, you can go with manual. See here in the preview, you can check it here. Left I'll increase. See here the space. If you click on apply, yeah, from the border, this all the page content will be moved to the left. So this is how you can actually manage borders and margins. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Yeah, if you like it, you can also apply the colors. Yeah, the color has changed but is not visible in this tutorial. Yeah, maybe any different color will be a bit visible. See here. Yeah, so this is how you can actually uh, tweak border margin changes in Microsoft Word. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.